And Jai, can you start writing down your updates in the discussion items?
Yes.
Thanks. Hey, Bo.
Hey, Yuhan.
Hey. Yeah, let's Jai is are you writing down all the updates? We can get started now if you want.
Yeah, sure. So
Okay.
basic, what?
Yeah, please go ahead.
So basically, the XPYD PR is ready to be tested, and yeah, it's basically ready. We're still waiting for some other people to push in the support for TP and also heterogeneous TP. And also, I've done several bug fixes, including adapting to the latest VM version and also some other bug fixes as well. And meanwhile, I didn't write it here, but I've also been working on the optimizing the performance of layer-wise cache loading and storing. So basically, the CPU overhead on better GPUs, on high-end GPUs like H100 or H200 are like the CPU overhead are still pretty high. So I'm trying to reduce that overhead. I think there are gonna be several PRs soon. Yeah. So basically, that's the update from my side.
Nice, nice. Yeah, thanks, Jai, for giving the update. Yeah, so that next one will be Regan's. Do you want to briefly talk about your PR?
Yeah. Hi guys. So I just want to bring up the a bug fix of the related to skip last n
Mhm.
tokens. I noticed that Jiayi, you made a pull request,
Mhm.
fix the token truncating things,
Yeah.
but the skip last n tokens thing is still not fixed. It's Uh, it basically it is when we look up the look up for the tokens, we get the number of tokens that we want to retrieve from the cache, and we already deduct the last n tokens from that number, so we don't need to subtract that again when we retrieve the tokens from the cache. That's a repeated skip of the last in tokens. Uh, and can you please review that PR?
Yeah, sure. Um I can take a look at today. So basically
Okay,
you're
thank
saying
you.
that the tokens are already chunked before, right?
Uh, Basically, we're just doing the we don't, we basically I'm saying we don't need to skip the last in tokens when we retrieve that tokens because the number that we use to retrieve the tokens we already subtract the last n tokens from that number, so we don't need to subtract that again.
Yeah, can you point to me where it is like subtracted? Maybe in the PR.
Yeah, sure. Can you please? Yeah. Uh, that's this is where we subtract the tokens when we retrieve the tokens, retrieve from the cache.
Hmm.
Uh, but actually, can you please expand the file?
Oh, the follow.
Expand all
Okay.
uh, because it's a big file. So you can click the expand all in the upper left.
Upper left. Oh, actually,
Uh,
you can share your screen if you want.
yeah, sure. Let me see here. Wait, not that. Expand all here. Yeah.
Okay.
Um, so we have a get number of new match tokens here. Uh, and we let me see. We look up
Yeah.
for
But
the
here only the lookup, like only the input to lookup are truncated, right? It doesn't mean that
yeah
um
the input here the input to look up is truncated. Yeah, and we get a number, and we pass that number through the load spec here. So basically, if you have 100 tokens and you want to skip the last five tokens, and here you get 95, and you pass 95 to the load spec, and
I
then
see.
yeah, and then in the retrieving process, in the retrieve process, this thing is load.
Yeah, maybe just search skip last and everything should
Oh
pop.
yeah, yeah, sure. Here. When we
Ah, I see. So basically it's just a redundant code, right? It doesn't affect the anything.
here the tokens, these are 100 tokens, right?
Yeah.
And
It won't
you have
affect
done,
anything, right?
sorry,
It won't affect anything. It's just this operation is kind of redundant, or that operation is redundant, right?
it's redundant and incorrect because here,
Oh,
remember we have 95 here.
yeah, but this number should be 95, right?
Yeah, but if you truncate that,
Yeah, if you like skip the last five, then this should be 95 already. But basically you do it twice. And then you just have to it's just redundant. It won't affect the functionality, right?
let me see. Right.
Yeah, but still, I think that these three, four lines should be deleted. I agree. Yeah.
Wait. If these are 100 and then
Yeah.
minus
This is
5.
already 95, and you do basically you skip the last five tokens twice, right? Which won't affect the actual result, but like still, I agree that this code is redundant. We should delete them. Yeah.
Yes. I will double check it because it's weird. If I delete those lines, uh, you know,
Hmm.
if I deleted those lines, there won't be an error. So I
Interesting.
guess, yeah. So I will double check on it, and
Okay.
reply like comment in the
Yeah, yeah,
PR thread.
yeah. Just ping me when you have when you have finished
Yeah,
it. Yeah.
Okay.
I think you need to add a log here or debug the current
Yeah.
variable value, yeah, and paste
Yeah,
it.
just add a log there. Good idea.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, that's it for me.
Okay, thanks. Can let me share the again. Uh, okay. And for Baolong.
Yeah, and the last one is me, is my, I found that there is an accuracy decline, while enable discard partial chunks option. Um, uh,
Can you open that issue?
yeah,
Someone
yeah.
could share the
Would you like
screen.
to open it? Yeah. I think Jia has reviewed this issue just now. And I paste the table here. You can, yeah, the test result. I didn't finish this test, and I'm testing it just now. There are some result here. We can find some interesting thing. The
Mhm.
first column is correct because the expected value is C. And for code run, it means the first run we found C is the result. But the hot one, it means that hit the QA cache, and the result is not correct.
What's the number
Mm.
like, in the parenthesis here?
This is output number decoded token number. Just interesting, the number is not the same.
Ah,
Uh, yeah.
okay.
What I didn't
I don't know
know.
how to interpret this table, but like, what's the percentage of results that are not the same?
What percentage? Pardon?
What percentage of the results are like different? For example, you
Uh,
have 100 code runs, you have 100 hits, then what's the number of results that are different?
I just test one just test one test. And tested repeat 3 times. Each time I test the code first and how after that. So the total test count is 6.
Let's see, six.
Mm-hmm. We, uh, we should notice that we tested this with our internal DeepSeek model. And I'm not sure this is the
So it's
that's a,
a MLA model, right?
yeah, it's DeepSeek R1 MIA. Yeah.
Let's see.
I will test this with the open source DeepSeek model,
Yeah.
some like AWQ, yeah, and test how how it is. It's
Okay, okay. Yeah, okay. No, yeah, just keep me posted. I have no idea what's going on here. Sorry.
okay.
I remember Trinxiao added the like the save on full chunk feature, right? So that's
Uh,
why I was
there's another interesting why I think the discard partial chunk and the save and full chunk option both are the same. Yeah, but
yeah.
why the result is not the same? For the uh, unsave for the second column, the result is almost
Mhm.
incorrect.
Yeah. I get that. Yeah,
So there, mhm.
yeah, just keep me if you have more numbers, just keep me posted. If the
Yeah.
models if the problems still exist in these open source models, I'll take a look how to fix them. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Or maybe it's
If you
better to
have,
maybe it's
mhm.
better for me like for you to like provide a smaller model's result so I can replicate more easily, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Guys, I'm
Um,
new to this project, so I'm just wondering, why do we have discard partial chunk and save when on full chunk, two options meaning the same thing? Why is that?
yeah,
Mm-hmm. I know the why because the second one introduced by Chun Xiao. When Chun Xiao introduced this feature, he he didn't aware of
I
the
see.
the previous option. Yeah.
Maybe Paolo, if you have time, can you just did keep them as one? Maybe delete one of the two arguments.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think it's a bit redundant. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. Any more question? Yeah, thanks, Paulo and Regans for the updates.
Yeah. Yeah.
Any more questions or comments? Okay, if not, we can end here. And yeah, thanks everyone for
Thank
joining.
you.
So next we will be like 9 a.m. PT. So yeah, hope to see you guys there. Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you, guys. Bye bye.